How to awaken a man's curiosity. In theory, arousing a man's curiosity is very easy, but is it also in practice? It is true that boys are quite predictable, but it is not good for you to trust this assumption. If you really want to attract his interest and that he sees you like a challenge, apply the following recommendations. 1. Don't tell everything about yourself. The fact that you like him does not mean that you have to tell him every step you take. Leave something to his imagination. They like challenges and novelty, so let them discover you, slowly, and you will see the fabulous results. 2. A touch of ambiguity and difficulty. Men are hunters by nature. He will be both frustrated and motivated by the fact that you do not reveal each of your thoughts or express yourself ambiguously. He will feel a mixture of dismay and fascination towards you. Being man a logical being, obsessed with solving problems, the fact of not being able to solve the mystery of your feelings will frustrate him, but in a good way. You should never let him think that he knows everything or that he thinks you are an easy prey, and that is why it is so important that you have your own life out of the relationship. Individuality, the surprise factor, and mystery will be your best allies. 3. Give him challenges. Challenges are like goodies to a man's mind. Provide high doses of mystery of various kinds, with a phrase like, "I think you couldn't deal with someone like me," you will definitely leave him confused. If you want to learn how to awaken a man's curiosity, click or tap the link on or below this video to download my free ebook, How to Get a Boyfriend.